Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our last topic that is about the digestive system. We just talked about the stomach up to stomach, and now we are going to start the small intestine today. The small intestine, you can see the highlighted area, the pinkish one color that start from your stomach, end of the stomach, and the next between the large intestine. Small intestines are roughly 7 meter long, and there are some lining of intestinal wall, like hair-like projection are there. We call them as villi. You can say hair-like projection or the finger-like projection. So what's the area, the main function of the villi? It increases surface area and more absorption will take place from the small intestine. All the digestion that is going to happen in your stomach, now they move the food, the chyme, into your small intestine, and from the small intestine, villi are there and more food absorption take place. The villi are covered with the microvilli, which further increases surface area for absorption. Even you can see in the diagram, the villi are there, and at the top of the villi, there are microvilli that increase the surface area. Nutrients that are going to pass from the small intestine into the bloodstream, so the intestinal wall, because we know that food has to absorb from the small intestine. So from the small intestine, around the small intestine, blood vessels are there that are going to absorb the material that the body digests. Which things they are going to absorb? 80% ingested water, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and the lipids. As I told you, the carbohydrates breakdown start in your mouth, protein and lipids breakdown happen in your stomach. So they are going to be absorbed. But some digestion also happen in your small intestine, like it also release the digestive enzymes. Then the undigested food is going to where they have to move. So that is a large intestine. You can see in the shaded area in the diagram at your right side. It is 1.5 meter long, except what small intestine don't absorb. That is the undigested food. Then the rectum start. Rectum short-term storage which hold feces before it is expired. So the large intestine is where the undigested food came, and from large intestine it will move to the rectum. Even in the large intestine, some food is going to reabsorb, because like the water is going to reabsorb, and it make the feces, you can say, or undigested food more concentrated one. Here the bacterial digestion happen. Bacteria do what? They do ferment carbohydrates. They are the good bacteria that is present in your large intestine. This is all about the digestive system or the organs that are involved in the digestive system. But there are some accessory glands, you can say, accessory organs that they are going to help in your digestive system. They are not directly involved, but they release something that help in the digestion. So the first one, the liver, the second, the gallbladder, and the third one is the pancreas. They are the important one. Let's start with the liver. You can see at the top of the your stomach at the left side, the liver is present. What it will do, it release the bile. Bile help in the digestion of the fats. Second, filter out toxin and waste, including drugs and alcohol and the poisons. This is a function of the liver. What it do? Release bile, which is helpful in the digestion of the fats. The next thing is about the gallbladder. You can see below the liver, the green part is the gallbladder. It stores bile that is going to be released from the liver, and it then released into the small intestine for the digestion of the fats. Fatty diet can cause gallstones. In the gallbladder, it can cause gallstones. The next part is the pancreas. Even you can see even below the stomach, the yellow part. It also produces digestive enzymes that are helpful in the digestion of the fats, carbohydrates, and the proteins. Second main important function of the pancreas, it regulates the blood sugar level by producing the insulin. Insulin, you can say it's a hormone or enzyme that maintains your blood sugar level. Without it, it is not going to be maintained. So it is all about today's lecture about the digestive system that I told you that different organs are involved in that one, or you can say the accessory organs, the liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. And the main organ are the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and the rectum. These are the accessory organ, and the other one are the organs that are not directly involved in the digestion. So if you got any question, you can ask. Take care. Bye.